That when I die, it's like to do the piping. It's like when they make pipes, like in the
Piping.
plumbing.
Oh, that's that. Oh, okay. Oh, alright. So he's making a pump. Let's see, what happens. Oh,
Put it in the garage, your bike. Put your bike in the garage.
that's what he's making.
Oh, wow, so when he puts the air in everything.
That's what, he made it from there.
You're not gonna come tomorrow. You better put your bike in the garage.
It's like a suspension.
Put your bike in the garage.